Another episode of my vlog again. Another day. Hey, these are foods today. It's Monday barbecue with Gopi. Hey, Gopi. Hey, man. I'm the #1 chef. Cornbread. The cob. That's the snapper. This cabbage. This is the oxtail. Hey, good, good. Chicken, pork ribs. This is the dessert. And this is the bread pudding. Still at our page right now. They start having a guess. That's Ronald down there. Hey! Here we go.
Hey, all right. We love it here. I love it here.
You gotta be here. Yeah.
Back, Spring Place.
All right. Cheers. My boy. My. Hey. Hey. Come on. We have a full moon tonight. Look at this. So this is the beach right now. Really busy and everybody's down now. There's some merch. There's a beach. Look at that. It's empty right now. And again, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, the Naked Mixology, and then my IG, and then my Facebook page, Naked Mixology. Right. And thank you for everybody who's watching my video. Well, I'll see you next time again. Yeah, it's like, hey boss, good night.
Come on. Yes, yes. We did it again, my brother. We did it again.
All right.
Until next week, Monday.
Okay, good.
All right.
Have a good night.
Respect.
Respect.
You too. You too.
Yeah.
All right.
Respect, man. All right. So these are our band actually playing tonight. Yeah, they're good. They're really good, man. All right. Have a good night, guys. I'll see you next time. Thank you. Have a good night.